Okay, so let's do our summary of solving an equation algebraically versus solving it geometrically. Um, Algebraic, we have two expressions where we're being asked when are they equal to each other. One of the many strategies we've covered in class was we undo and isolate x, solve for x. So we divide both sides by 2, 4 equals, try on 1, 4 equals x, right? This is algebraically solving it, where we show our steps and we also talk about undoing multiplication, undoing subtraction, undoing addition, undoing division, undoing an action, right? Now, geometrically speaking, how do we solve this same equation of 8 equals 2x? Well, first of all, we write our two equations. We write our expressions in the form of two equations. The first one would be y equals 8, right? And so I'm going to erase this, and I'll just leave the final answer there. Y equals 8, that is one equation, and the other equation in red is going to be y equals 2 times x. And notice I use slope triangles to find all my points and draw a line that is continuous. It never ends. That's why we put arrows on both ends, right? This is a horizontal line, y equals 8. Again, continuous function keeps going on forever horizontally to the left and to the right. It doesn't stop here. It keeps on going. I just didn't want the line to cut through the word visually. Okay? And let me make my y look a little prettier because it looks ugly. There we go. That's much better. Now, these two expressions are equal to each other because they equal the same output or variable, in this case, y. And where they intersect, and they do, is in this location. And what is the location? 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's 4 up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's my output. Notice that they match. My input, my x coordinate value is 4, and my output is 8. So the only slight difference is when you graph geometrically, it gives us not only the input but the output. Algebraically, we stop at the input. Once we find out what x is, we stop. But can we find the output? Yes, we can algebraically, and we'll do that a little later in this semester. Okay, and that's it for today. That was all the summary and work you did for week 27 online module on Desmos. When you did the IXL work, you were doing it algebraically. You were solving by undoing, maybe even looking inside or rewriting the equation. But it all connects back to here. Okay. Again, if you have any questions, send me an email, Google Chat, or through Google Classroom. I'll talk to you later.